This video reviews the Trac upright and recumbent bike preventative maintenance actions. Preventative maintenance is a schedule of planned actions aimed at the prevention of failures. PM is the best way to preserve and enhance equipment reliability by keeping key components clean and free of debris. Some types of PM need to be performed more often than others. To keep the equipment in top condition, perform regular daily, weekly, and monthly routines outlined in this video. Recommended tools. Daily maintenance. Check all safety and warning labels. Daily maintenance. Clean the equipment side covers. Note, always spray cleaning solutions onto a clean towel first, then wipe the equipment. Daily maintenance. Clean the display console. Weekly maintenance. Check that the pedals are tight and the straps are in good condition. Monthly maintenance. Check and tighten all hardware. Monthly maintenance. Check the leveling feet. Monthly maintenance. Check all settings and keypad performance. Quarterly maintenance. Check the drive assembly for wear. Additional resources.